Good morning. It's my great pleasure to welcome you all to St. Anne's Arts and Science College. I feel so much delighted to welcome you again, and you people are really lucky to enjoy the online platform lectures and in the academic year of 2020. I wish you all a very success and I welcome you again, my dear students, my dear first years. So, Eco Club plays an important role in creating the environmental awareness among the future generations. So, Eco Club was established in our college in the year of 2017. So, this is our college, which you can able to see a very greeny campus, very beautifully maintained and well equipped campus. What is the motto of the Eco Club? It is a club was organized for environmental awareness and also the improvement of the environment of our college. So, and most importantly, Eco Club it's a group to contribute to improving the environmental conditions in our college, and also there are a lot of programs and activities that are being conducted by our college to encourage others to reduce the pollution and place an importance of the plants and trees. Objective of our environmental club to make clean and green campus. Our campus is a beautiful example how to maintain our a beautifully eco-green campus we used to call, to create awareness among the students and about the need of environment protection, to prepare and organize the students' participation. So students' participation is one of the most important thing. I hope you are also going to be a part of St. Anne's now, and you have a lot more roles and responsibilities to be a part of in many other clubs. As with this Eco Club, you're supposed to, students are very enjoyable to make the charts, placards, and about the spreading messages in the sense about concerning about the environment. So that is very important. To create a pollution-free environment is one of the most important objective in our Eco Club. The World Environment Day is the main weapon of the United Nations to make people aware of the worldwide environment. So June 5th is considered as celebrated as a World Environmental Day, but in our college we are celebrating as a July 5th. So the Environment Day, even it was celebrated on every month on the same day. So what are all the activities have been taken place in our college according to the Eco Club in the sense? So year-wise we have been doing the tree plantation. So very most important. So to creating the environmental and to learn about many students are very keenly learning about many plants and how the about this nature and everything. So again you can able to see up a beautiful chairman, our respected chairman Reverend Mother has been doing a tree plantation. The next one is all about this, and the next one the students have been participating. So every day, which means the July 5th, we have been celebrating in the World Environment's Day. So on that day, we specifically will be giving a special theme about the environment like cleanliness, plastic banded, or canteen surroundings, or garden cleaning. So each every theme they'll be choosing about that, and they'll be creating many charts and placards, and students are holding here in this slide. You can able to see. So very most important here. Again, they'll be doing this work. So garden cleaning was one of the important theme. They've been doing this. So we have been even conducted through this pandemic in national webinar and environment. So one of the most important aspect of this environment is all about COVID-19. You all know. So this pandemic is very powerful and wake up all our lives on the link between the environment and emergencies. So even through this webinar, it was more understandable about the disasters and crises, as Doctor has explained very well and given a brief introduction about what is environment and how COVID has been attacked towards everything that he has given, and how we are supposed to safeguard ourselves also to disuse and about the environmental nature and everything was explained clearly. So there are a lot of activities that has been taking place by the Eco Club, like tree plantation that you have seen, and how the students have been committed to each others, and they are also interested to take part, and they are doing the work actually. So I hope for you people also. So you will be you are now part of a St. Anne's now. So I hope your people will be enjoying and protecting our nature and be a part of Eco Club. So thank you so much. Thank you.